See, I'll just show how to create a sales order. Okay. I'm use the same material and everything. First, you should see how the determination happens. Okay. So we have standard order. What is that? Is it right? I mean, sorry, my this one buffer it has been removed. It is a day, correct? Test order. Okay, what is the date today? 6/8/2025. Everybody is aware up to here. Then
Yes, okay.
just put what is your material number 1. See this much. Say that first screen enter sold to customer reference. This one material quantity, order quantity. Hit enter.
For me, when I click on enter, it shows ship to
This
party
one,
is
right?
not defined for sales organization.
Which one you entered? The same material, same sold to?
Same material. Yeah, same material. But in my sales organization, the one that I created, when I entered, it showed it's not defined for sales
Okay.
area.
Okay. I'll show. I know the mistake. See, guys, if you get this screen right, this is ATP check. I'll show. There, see,
Okay.
just I'll tell now only. In case if you get this availability control, line item 10, material 48. Okay, plant is this one. You requested for today. I mean, requesting for that material to be shipped today. What is my open quantity? You see the confirmed quantity is 0. Technically, if you have a stock, it will be 1 here, confirmed quantity. And this screen will not come at all if it is having 1. Since this is not there, stock is not there. See, you go to the grocery shop and you are asking there something apple juice, not in the season or whatever, which is not available. Like if they don't have that material, of course they can't deliver to you, right? They can't confirm that I'll give you tomorrow, right?
Go a doubt. In case if the quantity that we put is 10, and if we have like 5 in stock and 5 not available, then would the screen come pop up?
Yeah, it shows 2 lines. So if it is not complete delivery checkbox, okay,
Okay, let
complete.
me just check.
Remember that yesterday we showed complete.
Okay.
If you are not expecting complete delivery, means at one shot. So then what will happen? If you have 5 quantity, it will show 5 I can deliver tomorrow. Another 5, it will there is a material availability date in the material master. I mean, when you can do that, that is a MRP, all those things. It will calculate and it will propose a new date, next month 10th or whatever. Say for example, to manufacture or to procure, it needs 10 days or whatever. So next month 10th, they'll give it will propose a date. So you can create delivery, partial delivery you can make, or you can wait till next month and you can make a complete delivery. That I'll show that scenario. See, if you guys get this, don't worry, because there is no stock. What you do, continue. Okay, it will come to the same screen. Now I'll just blindly say, see, order saved. What you have to do, then go display. Because first you need to save the order, then only you will get to know. Otherwise, you will lose the data. Then edit incompletion. Any order, see, we edit incompletion. Again, this is incompletion determination is there. Okay. I'm not stressing that now. It is too detailed. Afterwards, I'll tell that. Document is complete. If it is incomplete, it will show some values are not maintained. Means you go and maintain. Like mandatory fields. Mandatory fields you can do at a config level, but sometimes if you want to do for particular your order so and so for this item category, that you can do. That's what incompletion procedure. See, now order is done. Now the question this much. Now what you have to do? There is a header. Go header. Just see the fields. What is there? OR standard order type, sales area, sales office, sales group. If you enter there, it will show up created by, created on. Just try to see what is their pricing procedure. See what are something determined. Just see. I mean, familiarize with shipping condition, where it is coming from. It is coming from the either document type or from the customer master. So here, just check the customer where it is. And another like that, you just traverse through each tab and try to understand. Okay, be familiar, sales shipping document, and go to item, sales shipping billing. Anyhow, pricing. It is at the item level condition. The day I showed pricing. Schedule line, how it is determined CP. That is based on the TAN item category and the what is my MRP type. That determines the CP. Just see this. What is happening here? It shows this one you requested confirmed is zero, means I can't deliver. If you just select here and go to shipping tab, it will tell, since I mean when you can deliver goods issue, it will text you requested on 6th. Okay, just an example. It will always calculate back date. Okay, this is the dates I'll tell you in the next coming classes. That is most of the availability check and all. This is just be familiar with the sales order tabs. What all things are available? Go through. I mean, that is a basic thing. Now, today I'm going to show the storage location determination. I told storage location is determined based on the plant and the storage condition, which is maintained in the material master. If you go here, storage location. See, basically a plant is a big godown or a warehouse. In that storage location, it should be in a left side corner, some location. Physically, they'll identify. It's just like in a big warehouse, we'll say northeast corner, that is one storage location. Center, that is one storage location. Anything, okay. They'll just identify where to store. That you can see here in the general plan data, okay. So far, I didn't see that this material was extended, so I just extended this material to general plan data. He has already created storage location.
So Gopi, my question is why we are going to material? Like this should be the job of guy.
Correct. But who is going to help you now? For you now. See, always don't be so much this one. The basics, material, material master, you should be thorough, because all the time you can't expect guy to come here, right? Generally, they'll maintain, but you should know, right, where the storage location is maintained. So far, who created this material? Team created. What is this? Just now I saw this. Z001. This one generally guys will do. What is this? Material ledger must be set productive for valuation area. This is finance. I don't know. Just I'll try to resolve this. Let me see. This was at valuation area. Oh, I don't know how can I show now. Hmm. I can't show that. Okay. Now I don't want to waste time. Just I'll show one image in Google. Okay. That afterwards, when I create a new material, I'll show that storage location in MM03. Okay. Because that is we are getting finance error, FI error, valuation area and all. We need to rectify that. This is one more tab, plant and storage location tab. Oh, this tab will work. Mm. I'll fix that why that is okay, but mm, what happened? This is see just I mean okay, I'll show in this. Oh, it is not okay. See in the material master, see display material. There's a tab called plant data storage location 1, 2. In that, there is a storage condition. That's it. Okay, it's a field 0, 1. I mean, whatever the values, possible values you can maintain. Okay, this is storage location. If you ask now the interview question, I'll tell where do you see the storage location? Generally, it should be in the shipping, right? Shipping point is determined, but storage location is not determined. See, this is the interview question. How it is determined? Based on plant and the storage condition. If you see my screen, this way, plant, shipping point, and storage condition. You know shipping point determination, you know plant determination. Storage condition is derived from the plant data, I mean material master. But this will not be determined in sales order level. Storage location is determined at a delivery level. People will ask interview question, and where it is there, you should tell it is in the header, say shipping tab. Okay, don't memorize, just try to understand the meaning. Shipping, these are all shipping related. Shipping point, plant, from where to ship, all those things. Billing document, all billing relevant data will be there in the billing tab. And the item level, see, storage location is there. In the item level, storage location determination happens. But by default, storage location does not determine at the sales order level. It will be always at the delivery level. Interview will ask at what level this is determined. You should take delivery level. If can't we do it? Yes, we can do with the help of ABAP code. Using developer, we can write a code and or we can enhance. Use this word enhancement. We can do the enhancement. Enhance is nothing but upgrade or modify, enhance. Okay, we can do that coding to determine the storage location here. Any doubts in that storage location?
No, Gopi.
This also warehouse. It's just highlight. This is for also delivery. Just I'll tell because it's a simple plant plus storage location. Always I go in the flow. See, plant determined. Shipping point uses plant. S- Storage location uses plant and shipping point. Warehouse uses plant storage location. It's just a combination. If it's A and B, there is one warehouse. Warehouse comes. Warehouse is if you have a IAM warehouse management module, okay, only that time it will come into picture. Otherwise, these are all, see, now the basic modules in ERP is SDMM finance. Okay, these three is sufficient to run a business. If they want to understand, I mean, if there are thousands of parts, different parts, where do we keep and all? So then they'll implement SAP warehouse management. Warehouse management is for warehouse. You can understand the name warehouse. We are managing it. It means it will have a storage location, shelf, okay, with other terms, bin, storage section. Okay, it's nothing but rack. If you go to medical shop, okay, just take an example of medical shop. If I dump all the tablets in a gunny bag or a box, can you able to identify if somebody asks, can you give me crocin or a dolo? Is it easy? If I put all the tablets, all the company tablets in one gunny bag or a box? Hmm.
No. We
No,
cannot.
right? Yeah. If it is a simple, assume if you are doing a business of just two chocolates, okay, different chocolates, 5 star and a dairy milk. You can just put it in a bag. If somebody has something, you can based on the color, you can identify and give it. It's easy because you have only two different products. If you, I mean, two different materials, I'll not say products, material. If you have multiple raw materials, semi-finished to manufacture, right? So what they'll do, they'll keep it in warehouse. That is our medical shop. If you see, they have a racks, correct? Each rack, and also they, if you observe, they maintain A, B, C like that rack. If you see that, they'll put some sticker on the racks. Okay, even if you go to Apollo, Med Plus, anything, right? On the box also it will be written A series, B series. Did you observe in time that one?
Yes, Gopi.
Yes, Gopi.
That is shelf.
Understood. Got it.
Yes,
Got
yes.
it.
They call it as a rack. I mean, different terminology, but concept is same. A rack, shelf, bin, storage section. All these are terminologies, but it helps to identify directly. See, if there is a 10 basically 10 compartments in the A tablets only, there are so many, right? You can't put everything in one. So that's why they'll put A alphabet like dictionary, A, B, A, C, A, D in one compartment. Then A, you are following, right? A, E, A, F, A, G, A, H, anything starts with these two letters in another. If somebody asks, okay, what it do, it just blindly see the first two letters, he'll just go to that. Okay, this is in A section. Then what is my second letter? Okay, it will be in this first. He'll just pick it up in a few seconds. So it helps to easily identify the product or a material. That's it. That is a warehouse. That is not our job. That is again a separate consultant will be doing that. I just want to bring it. This warehouse also comes in delivery. Okay, I'll just put here. When I create delivery, then I'll show these two feeds.
But shipping
Now,
point comes in sales
yes,
determination.
yes, here you see at the item level,
Yeah, yeah.
plan
Okay.
and the shipping point. Here storage location is also there, but it will not determine. Then there is a route. See, route determination. I want to touch.
Okay, that
Now,
comes in sales order.
sales order route. Even you can determine at delivery level also. I'll tell at the during the delivery question. You can, I mean, it always determines at the sales order level. You can change at the delivery level. That's it. Or redetermine. Say, for example, you determine while creating a sales order, India to Bangalore to Chennai, there is a route via Hosur. Something, okay. After 1 month, you are delivering, that route is cancelled due to something, or Western Ghats, something, right? So then you go in alternate route. That time you change in the delivery. The route is which route it has to go. Route, our normal route, right? But it will not be so simple. Go in a NH4 or a. I'll tell what is the route. Route determination. It says how route. This is the table. How route is determined. Departure country, departure zone, shipping condition, transportation group, destination country, transportation to zone and weight group. This is little tricky, okay? I mean, even if you don't understand now, it's fine. I mean, gradually you can understand. Now you are just I'll tell departure country and destination country, correct? Means from Bangalore, my plant is in Bangalore or my sales org is in India. Okay. Departure country is what? India. And I'm shipping to China. So destination country is China. How do I know? Because my ship to party in the customer master, he'll have address, right? Based on that, they'll determine the ship to country. From where you get the departure country? From physically what is existing? Plant is existed, right? From plant, you identify the country. So I'll just quickly show. I mean, be familiar with these tables T001W. I'll just put what happened? Why is it slow? For you guys also slow like this? Okay, simple I'll tell. If it is T001, it's a company code. T00W1W is plant. Okay, just I mean, I want to tell you T001 company code table. 1W is plant. Okay, now what is my plant? ZA01, right? ZA01. So this plant, what is the country here? IN. Like that for customer, ship to party, it will have a country. That so departure country is plant country from where you are departuring the goods. That is departure country. Then destination country, where you are shipping. That shipping country. So these two fields clarified, right? Now transportation
Yes.
zone. Sorry, departure zone. This it will be maintained in the shipping point. If you guys are determining the shipping, I know the shipping point here. Just I'll go to the table. TVST. Since I'm familiar, I'll just show, but I'll show in the SPR. When you define the shipping point, it will ask the transportation zone. So that is 0 to 2. Departure zone. Wait. I got confused. Yeah, departure zone is here. Yeah, departure country from plant. Departure zone we have in the shipping point. Shipping condition. Somewhere visa. Can you anybody tell me where visa shipping condition?
In shipping tab.
Correct. In the shipping point or in the material master or sorry, not material master. In the customer master or a document type. Document type by default they don't maintain. They always maintain at a detail level. That is at the customer level. Okay. And now shipping zone, shipping condition zone, transportation group. This is from the material master. Oh God, I can't open the material. What I'll do? Okay. I opened material. Transportation group. Oh, here, transportation group. Just yesterday I showed the loading group. Loading group is in shipping point determination. Like this, you should be familiar. Same, okay. It is next to each other, but you should be familiar where it is there. Okay. Okay, I'll just show that earlier I was showing that plant, right? It is here. Oh, no, I don't want to make it complicated. There is an option. What I did, I am in the sales order. I am in the line item. I went to material master directly without going to MM03. How did I go? You can go here, extra display material. In the item level, or you place a cursor on the item, or go inside the item level, and you come here, environment, click on the display material, or there is a shortcut F8. If you press F8 on your keyboard, keyboard, it will open the material master. See, display material master. What it does internally, behind this button, the code is written to open MM03 with this material number 48. That's it. Okay. Destination country I showed. Transportation zone. The weight group. Weight group, generally we don't use. Okay. That you have to define. That's it. I'll show that in the route.
Weight group in the sense like for material, what is the weight or weight of the
Uh,
material or what it is? Okay.
no, not the weight of the material. They create one weight group. Okay. But I don't want to make it too complex. That's why I'm not highlighting that. We don't use. 1 second, I'll tell you. Yes, yes, that one only. I'll just show that slash SPR. Sales. Okay, just I'll show because I know you guys yesterday confused where it is. For item category and all, you have to go to sales, line item and schedule line here. Now I'm going to basic function. Pricing I showed, taxes I'll show later. Just see, these are all determinations. You have to familiar. I said output determination, I'll tell you. That is important. Material determination, I'll leave it. You don't have to, but you can just go through. What I was telling, the route determination, right? So, route. First, we define the route. Just I'll show. Stages, define route and stages. Let's see if some route is determined or used or not. See, one person has created a route, some 001. It's nothing. It's you can give service agent, route ID. You can give what all things you want. I mean, allowed. I mean, these are all in detail fields which we don't use generally. real time. Just they'll put one name here. And how route is determined here. You asked weight group, right? Just show here. 001. Okay, just a name. What you have to do, maintain weight groups. So for this one, total weight is 10 kg. 10 k up to 10 kg, it is weight group 10. 100, I mean, just it's a identification. That's why they put the same thing.
Okay, you mean to say up to 10 kg it comes under one group and up to 20 kg it comes under another group.
Yeah,
Like,
that you can
that
define.
it is
Yeah,
related.
that you can define. See, with weight group or without weight group, you can do. It's not necessary you have to give everything. See, country of departure. So that departure country, departure zone, which is there in the shipping point, destination country, receiving zone. That is a custom. In the BP master, there will be a transportation zone, right? That one. I mean, destination zone. That will show. If you see here, only these things are there. Just select here without weight group or with weight group. See what it says. This can be determined at a order level. You don't have to use weight group. If you want to determine route at the order level, no need of weight group. If you want to determine at the delivery, it is. So here, if you see, they'll give with all the combinations, shipping condition, transportation group. If the weight group is 10, take one route. If the weight group is something, take some other route. I just showed the storage location and this one, right? That is in the logistic execution. Logistic execution is nothing but the delivery part. Delivery part is called the logistics execution, logistics shipments. Okay. If you just see warehouse management, just come here, master data. There will be a wait, shipping wait. In the shipping, there will be a see here also route determination is there, the same thing. Shipping point determination. That is assigned shipping point. Visa, right? Shipping condition, loading route plus plant is nothing but a proposed shipping point. How many we can have? Okay, I'll put new entry so that okay, it will not propose shipping point 1. Just I want to make it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It is also having 12, but earlier it was oh, okay, same item category, and this one is having 11 plus 1. One proposed and another 4. You can manually add the shipping points. Okay, this is just I want to show where it is in the SPRO. Shipping point. This is shipping point. Next, storage location. Choosing the delivery. 1 second, I have to see. I mean, I don't use generally, so I need to search here. Determine picking location. Hmm. Hmm. Assign picking location. See, shipping point, plant, but and then storage condition. That is nothing but a storage location determination. This is at the delivery. And you asked warehouse, right? Warehouse. Oh, sorry. Warehouse is here. Hmm. Enterprise structure. Where is that enterprise structure? Here in the assignment, in the logistics execution, assign warehouse. Plant storage location determines the warehouse. So the storage location will always be at the delivery level. So plant and storage location gives the warehouse that will be at the delivery level. Now simply I'll just add a stock, okay, because I know you'll get just I'm telling only sales order, right? If I create delivery and invoice, then you feel okay, something we can understand. So there's no stock, I'll try to add a stock. This is not your job, okay? This me Gondal. Okay, don't worry on this part. I'm just manually placing a stock. What I'm doing, I'm just manually placing, but technically this will not happen like this. In day-to-day business, see, accounting data. Whenever you want to transfer something, finance data needs to be maintained. Okay. Okay, I'll set up this data because now I can't spend that much time for accounting tab and all because we have only hardly 8 minutes. So, okay, you ask any question now. Okay, one person he said he was not able to create, right? Where that warehouse something was coming, right?
Yeah, good.
Hello. So what see, you go here. Yesterday I showed, but the same thing in the sales master data define. What is that error you are getting? Somebody said, right?
It shows ship to party number 9 00311 not defined for sales area AZ01. AZ01.
Not defined. What is your this one? Customer master number? Sure. Can you tell me the customer number? 900?
Three the one that's system 311. Yeah.
Sure. What is your sales, sir?
My sales organization is not showing over there.
No, tell me the name. I just want to.
You want the name of my sales organization?
Yeah,
BLDN.
PLDA.
BLDN.
Okay, you can find it. I can find it.
Yeah.
Correct. See, simply you need to extend your customer to that sales arm, right?
Okay.
So first you try to extend. In the BP transaction, you need to extend. First you extend the
Gopi, your
BP.
voice is not audible. It is not.
You extend the BP, that is customer. Then you try to
Okay.
create a sales order. Okay,
Okay,
this is
okay.
how you. So basically, if see the error was showing, it is not extended to sales arm. It means that you need to extend that customer to that sales arm. You need to try that. And one thing here I want to show, just in case if anybody you create your own distribution channel division, right? If say for example, if you created your own distribution channel, say BL, what is that? BLDN, right? BLDN. See BLDN. Okay, it is maintained. Okay, fine. The same values. This is you need to create like this, and it is maintained. In case if it is wrongly maintained, then also you will get error. Okay, just see that. That's it. One option I'm just showing.
Okay.
So you extend your material customer and then try to create a sales order.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing. Okay. Any other doubts or any other question?
While doing that sales creation, Gopi, I'm getting that pricing procedure error. That we can discuss on Saturday. It's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Price,
I
okay.
I also got that one.
What is the error? Quickly tell me. Because price procedure, just see how it is based on sales area. What is the document pricing procedure? What is the customer pricing procedure? That's it, right? You just
Yeah,
check what it is maintained. If that see,
It says PPRO is missing
uh-huh.
in pricing. It showed PPRO is missing in pricing procedure.
What is
Pricing
that?
condition.
PPR. PPR. Ah, PPRO. PPRO. So
Yeah.
see what I did that day, we get that this is the price where we maintain. Sorry, PK 13. That day I just maintained here price for my material sales are. I maintained the price. That's why I was not getting. What you have to do, right? In your sales order, go to condition tab. It says pricing is missing. You enter PPRO, manually type here PPRO and put some amount and hit enter. That will go.
okay, got it.
Okay.
Say for example, this condition type, assume this condition type in the condition type the day I was showing, this is manually, only manually entries allowed or not no manual entries. If no manual entries allowed means, then you can't enter PPRO like this. In that case, you have to come here in the VK level, you need to maintain the price. Here you have to give material, sales are execute, and you give what is the value. For this, what is your value? And save it. Then it will determine the price from this pricing. See, price is maintained in this pricing master. This is the master data. condition record is a master data. This will be fetched for me here.
Okay, got it, Gopi.
Okay. So anything else?
No, Gopi.
No, Gopi.
So you try to create. Now you got the error, right? Everybody, someone's mistake you have to learn. Okay, somebody said like customer was not extended. Now you guys ensure that it is maintained. Pricing PPRO. Okay, just save. You refer this 32 sales order, whatever I created today.
Okay, Gopi. Okay.
Okay. I mean, it does not have further information. The stack is not there. I'll put a stack and I'll show how delivery is created. And I'll help you with it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Gopi.
Okay.
Okay. I need to drop now. Exactly 10 o'clock. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Gopi,
you.
recording,
Thank
can
you.
you, yeah, can you like recording, can you
Well,
put now so that yeah, night we can revise.
Sorry, recording. I need to stop her.
No, recording if you upload now on Dina, it would be helpful. Like we can
No,
practice.
I'm not doing that.